Come on along. Troy, look at you made a mess again. Oh, look at he's talking to himself. Nobody's listening over there. We didn't hear a word you said because you're talking to yourself.
I said I'd move my lunch pail around if you got me a crane, so it got all the use out of it.
We'll get you a crane.
Move my lunch pail, set it down.
I keep telling you, you stay as busy as we are right now. It won't take
2 weeks.
No, it'll take more than 2 weeks. Might be another
3 weeks.
3 weeks to a month. You got that chain right to the horses? Mm-hmm. You're the man.
If we stay this busy, you're gonna have to bring a part-timer on July through October so I can bear hunt.
There's no bear hunting allowed this year. What do you think of that?
Mm-hmm. You are funny, aren't you?
Are bigger than funny. You're almost in there already. I think when we had that apart, that had taken so much torque that it's snapped them dowels in there.
Oh, come on.
Come on, he was highballing down the road and he lost his electricity and the brakes came on, so he was going wide open. And that's what wrecked that whole front end. Holy crap. Look at, I know how to get rid of people.
What'd you say, Wayne?
Yeah, that's war, ain't it?
Mm-hmm. No.
That inner race, I can see it from here. Holy wow.
You can't see.
I can't, no, I'm retarded. Oh yeah, by the way, did you hear that?
What?
Yesterday? Your illustrious governor of Wisconsin made it illegal to call people with mental challenging, like, you know what's on the AC machine? When you pull it into vacuum, you call it retard.
Oh yeah, retard.
Yeah. It's against the law now in Wisconsin to use that term.
Give me his phone number, I'll call him.
I guess that's freedom of speech, ain't it?
I guess. Fucking retard. Can I still say
It's moving, yeah, I don't care what you say. Just don't scuff the... Why don't you just tip it? No, you can't, never mind, I'll shut up. Some wear in that bearing, huh?
A little bit, yeah. At least they're not spinning.
No, they're not, that's a good thing.
It's a plus.
How is it in the pinion, though? I mean...
Yeah, a little wear. I didn't order these ones.
No, I meant, I'm sorry. I know you didn't. Ouch, that was my hand. His hand. This one.
Pretty old.
Pretty old. We put them in 6 years ago, I suppose.
That was an option.
Yeah, and it was.
Parts break
I see you ordered it, so it was a good option that you ordered it.
Said
Yeah.
it wasn't in this, in the serial number. They said it was after the break.
And see how wrong they are?
Yeah.
Never believe a parts book.
What is it?
Spacer ring?
It sits in between the two races and...
Yeah, you know what it does? Do you know what that does?
Flocks the oil.
It helps lock the oil in. Because that's all splash. That all relies on splash coming up through right here. Watch your fingers, Mike.
This was...
Yeah, but you see the... Is that upside down right now or right side up?
It's right there.
Okay, so it's feeding this oil from through this, that's draining back in right there.
Stopping it from draining in.
It's holding it, I don't know that it should be up. I would think it would be down, but I don't know.
Maybe it splashes up and then...
Right, because everything in the diff works on splash. You know that. What they call splash lubrication.
Splash lube?
Splash lube. And like spitting on your dick.
That's spit lube.
Yeah, I'm gonna go do that, weld that thing that's $200 and some, and that John Deere doesn't have one in the world. That muffler bracket?
Muffler bearing?
Muffler bearing, yeah. I'm gonna go teach him how to do that. I had to come over here and inspect though. I'm gonna crank up the, look at, oh God, we've been just, he's got her up. Troy, did you get her up today? You got her up today, didn't you? He can get her up. 6 a.m. every morning, yeah. Oh, we got a mess going on.
Hey, what are we gonna have a cookout today?
Tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. And then all I'm gonna do is call. Yeah. Tomorrow is Saturday, right?
Yeah.
Cookout and beer after work.
Better be.
Morning. What do you got going on here already? You guys are awesome. Did I ever tell you that? What are you looking for, Kyle? You got that all put back together already. You're awesome. No matter what Kyle says about you, you're not too bad of a guy.
You're playing with that stupid video camera?
I am. I'm playing with that stupid video camera. Look at, he got a haircut last night. He got right close to the wood. Are you ready to come down?
I think so.
Wow. I'm impressed. You know what I really like showing is that calendar back there. Yeah, ain't it? Look at that. Come yonder, hitherto. You what? I'll shut up. I'm gonna go look at the engine now. It's amazing here. You all think I'm kidding, don't ya? It's his nickname. Look at that. We got a head on there. Nice. Kyle's putting her together. Man, we're so busy we gotta work outside. This is what happens when your shop is so full and you're waiting for parts. We did the service on this one outside today. It was a nice enough day. We all ganged up on it. Still got some stuff to do tomorrow. Changed some bushings in the head, the boys did. I just got done putting a new AC line on, backing it down, getting ready to fill her up. Waiting for this one. I got another one in the wash area to come in. Oh, terrible. Oh well. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Moi moi. Good. Hey. Hey. Hey you guys. If you enjoy what you see, you like the videos, hit the subscribe button, share, like, comment, all that good stuff.